के आगे जीत है. That's a line that really resonates with me, and I'm a big fan of their work. Even after a whole deal of prep and a whole deal of taking those baby steps towards that big challenge, you finally get to that point where you're at that brink, and you have to take that leap. And that's where the term leap of faith actually, has gotten coined from. Let your spirit guide you, and just it's like they say, your chi. You gotta let your chi just, lead you. Feel the fear and take the leap of faith.
Hrithik is a celebrated actor, a youth icon, someone who lives the philosophy of going out, adventure sports, and really overcoming and doing challenging, whether it's roles, whether it's even the way he approaches things. He's a perfectionist and he wants to overcome any challenge to make things happen. This brand has always had a very strong connect with consumers on the philosophy of confronting your fears to win. A huge campaign that's truly connecting, and then you've got a face like Hrithik Roshan who believes in the philosophy and espouses it and lives that philosophy, fronting it for you. And so it's obviously a very, very exciting summer ahead. We're hoping that we can bring this alive for consumers in every which way. And as we go through the summer, we hope to bring alive the proposition for consumers everywhere.
Everybody feels fear, and in fact the truly courageous are defined by the size of their fear rather than the fact that they feel no fear at all.
The most exciting thing is actually, for the first time I'm working with Hrithik, and I think it's fantastic to work with him. He's such a wonderful person.
Varma and me, we've known each other for some time, and obviously we don't know Hrithik, but I think his personality in real life and on screen is multi-dimensional, and he's got a well-rounded personality rather than being unidimensional like many of our big heroes. And that's the great thing about him, because he can at once be vulnerable and fearful like a normal person, and he can transform into a heroic performer in the next moment and carry them off with equal ease, as opposed to many other big stars who can probably play only one kind of character.
Every single day is kind of a dar ke aage jeet hai day for me.